All right, so this is electrical enclosure panel that we're building for Panera Bread restaurant. This one has a 15-inch HMI, so and when this is turned on, you got different features that you can control, like you can control the timers or whatever lights that you wanted to turn on. For instance, the light for the sign outside the restaurant, basically the on and off switch for the main power. First thing is you got main power that they're going to install in the field to this breaker. This is an 800 amp breaker. Goes down to some bus, and then it goes to distributors. From here it's going to send power to other different components, to all this contactor and breakers. And this device right here is a phase monitor. What that is they lose one of the legs, it'll detect it and it'll send a signal over here. It'll make an alarm noise. This will turn on, and then on the screen it will say phase loss. You got a transformer here, some breakers. These are little relays. You got more stuff. Here you got a power supplies. You got 120 converting it into 24 volts DC. And this have more breakers, basically protectors to protect this device, the power supplies. And then you have terminals with jumpers on there. All those are going to more stuff over here. So you gotta, this is the PLC. That right there is what controls all the, so whenever there's a phase loss, that device will send a signal here, and then this will send a signal to this device, which is the alarm. And also this is what talks to the HMI, and so when you turn the HMI on, you can control what you want to do there. And these are the timers. So this one has basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 timers. The customer can go in there and set the time at whatever time they wanted to turn whichever lights on. Then you have this device, which is called Secomia, and basically what that is a device to be able to connect to the PLC remotely. So wherever this panel is going to be at, this was going to Pennsylvania. So once it's there and they have a problem with the PLC, over here we can log in and see what's going on. We can even log in into the HMI and control it remotely over here, so we don't have to physically be there. So that's what this does. If you guys have any questions about how to program the timers, just contact Infinity Industrial Control.